Hi everybody, my name is Sienna Shire and I am from Ohio. I'm 21 years old and I am taking this class because I need a couple more prereqs for PA school. I'll be applying to PA school in the next upcoming cycle in April. I graduated last May, spring of 2018, from Florida Gulf Coast University with my bachelor's in health science. So I've been kind of working towards my career as a PA for quite some time now, between shadowing and volunteering. So I'm really excited to finally get to the year where I get to apply. So I am currently working at a hospital right now on a med-surg floor. So I'm getting to see a lot of things that's really given me some inspiration to get this application process going. So I'm really excited to take this class, and that's just one step further for me for my PA school application. So a little bit about my life. I, again, am from Ohio. I grew up on a farm, and I'm getting married this July. My fiance is going through the med school interview process right now, so we're crossing our fingers for him. So hopefully everything goes well and we'll finally know where we'll be. So that's exciting. I saw a lot of you guys in this group are, and in a couple other classes I'm taking through Doane, are other healthcare professionals or also seeking to be healthcare professionals, which is really wonderful to be surrounded by so many like-minded people because we all have a common goal. So it's pretty neat to be here and be able to take this class online through Doane for people like me who don't necessarily have access. My local university does not offer a biochemistry course, so this was a really great opportunity for me to be able to take this course before my application opens. A couple other personal things about me. I love the color pink. I was a golfer in high school, and I also was a dancer up until I graduated high school. And I also well, I think that's about it, actually. So I'm really excited to get this class going, and I hope I get to work with all of you through the next 8 weeks, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. Thank you.